Hello, this is Michael Emery with Emery EPS Internet Marketing, and we are doing website reviews for the keyword phrase Seattle Attorney. And what we're doing is we're identifying the factors that could be preventing a website from showing up in the top 3 positions of the first page of Google for the keyword phrase Seattle Attorney. So we're now on page 3 and scrolling down, we go 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, the Hanley firm, the hanleylawfirm.com. So let's take a look at this website and see what's happening here. Why is this website not in the top 3 positions on Google for the keyword phrase Seattle Attorney? So nice looking site, very clear, good layout, contact, call to action, good, looks nice. Let's see what the computer sees. So we're going to do a diagnosis here, and see here we have the title, Seattle Employment Law and Personal Injury Attorney, and then we got the brand. Okay, that looks good. Meta description, have an employment issue, injured in an accident. Our lawyer has a finger on the legislative pulse so that she can provide effective and proactive counsel. One little recommendation, put the word Seattle right here in front of lawyer. I would recommend removing the keywords, the meta keywords. Those can cause more problems than good. So here's where we're starting to run into some issues. This is going to be the difference between this site and the websites that are on the first page of Google. The H1 has nothing to do with law. The H2 has the word legislative, but that also has a political connotation. The other H2 has legal guide. That's good, but very few people are going to be Googling legal guide that are looking for a employment law or personal injury attorney. And the H3 says in our client's words. So we definitely need to do some work here with the header titles. And that's going to make a difference in terms of this website's rankability. Everything else looks good. Needs a favorite icon. Favorite icon is just one of these little icons. It's just one more check on the checklist. So let's see what's happening in terms of performance. The website is actually fast. It's lightweight. It's got good scores. So one second to download it, and it's approximately 1 megabyte. Everything looks good there. Let's see what Google itself says about the website. So we're running into some issues. This is a fairly common one. It's called Eliminate Render Blocking JavaScript in CSS. It's something that our team could take care of, and it's something that's snagging most websites out there in terms of mobile search. And then the rest of it just has to do with minification and compression. So we can definitely bump those scores. The desktop version of the website looks good. And the next factor that we're going to take a look at is we're going to see why the website's not positioned higher, and it has to do with links that are on other websites that connect to this specific website, the hanleylawfirm.com. So if we were to look at a perfect website, we see a trust flow of 98 out of 100. We see a citation flow of 96 out of 100. We see a backlink spatter chart that is huge. It's like a big blur here. And then we've got 8 trillion backlinks going to Google. Now here's something that's really important. This has to do with the keyword phrase, the anchor text ratios. Out of all of those 8 trillion backlinks connecting to www.google.com, 80% of them have miscellaneous text. That means it could have a variety of titles, ranging from anything. Less than 4%, 3.75%, actually use the word Google. So let's take these factors and apply it to this website. The trust flow is good. It could be stronger, but it's not bad. It's 19. External backlinks, 829. We can see, compare the spatter charts and trust flow, citation flow. We have Google, trust flow 98, citation 96, spatter chart, 8 trillion backlinks. We're never going to get that for this website. It doesn't need it. But it could be stronger, and it's going to have to be stronger to be positioned on page 1 and also be positioned and stay in the top 3 search results for the keyword phrase Seattle Attorney. So we're seeing 820 backlinks, 140 domains. That means there's approximately 8 links per domain. That's kind of high, but it's not bad. And then look at this. This is going to tell us what's happening here. Yep, okay. So out of all of the backlinks, 82% of the backlinks are just the URL. 5% another variation of that URL. 1.35% the brand, the Hanley law firm. 1.35% another brand, attorney Elizabeth Hanley. Another brand, Elizabeth Hanley. Another brand, sample image. This is a generic keyword phrase. Defense attorney totally. Now I don't know I don't know by heart the specific keyword phrases that are being searched in the Seattle, Washington area, but I don't think that it's one of them is defense attorney totally. I could be wrong, but I don't think that's one. The Hanley law firm, PLLC, personal injury lawyers in Seattle. So this is a mixture of keyword phrases and the brand. It's not bad. Still another one, another variation. And then we have other anchor text. What we don't see in any of this mix are keyword phrases like Seattle. Let's see, let's go back here and look at some of the potential keyword phrases. We don't see Seattle employment law. We don't see Seattle employment attorney. We don't see Seattle employment lawyer. We don't see Seattle personal injury lawyer, Seattle personal injury attorney, Seattle personal injury legal advice. We don't see any of those keyword phrases. And that's why this website is on the bottom of page 3 instead of the top of page 1. So this is what we could do for you guys. We could definitely help to resolve any of the current on-site problems. And the on-site problems have mostly to do with the appropriate use of meta descriptions, meta titles, and headers. Then the off-site problems have to do with running solid SEO campaigns that are actually targeting the right keyword phrases. Right now, what you're targeting, it's pushed you onto page 3 at the bottom of page 3, but it's never going to get you onto page 1, top 3 positions. So I hope this has been of interest to you, and you would forward it to the person who's in charge of internet marketing for this firm. I would love to have the opportunity to speak with this person and discuss some of the options for moving forward. I know that my business and my team can help push you guys onto page 1 and position you for being in the top 3 searches for keyword phrases like and including Seattle attorney, which would be immensely valuable for the firm. Again, thank you for your time, and I'll be in touch soon. Take care.